Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive excellence. And today, we have something truly special for you. Feast your eyes on the Aston Martin Valkyrie, a true masterpiece born from the collaboration between Aston Martin, Red Bull Racing Advanced Technologies, and an impressive lineup of renowned manufacturers. Host, the Aston Martin Valkyrie is not your ordinary sports car. It's a limited production hybrid beast that combines track-oriented performance with the drivability of a road car. This extraordinary machine, also known as the AMRB ONE and Nebula during its development, aims to claim the title of the fastest street legal car in the world. And with the expertise of legendary F1 designer Adrian Newey, Aston Martin CEO Dr. Andy Palmer, Red Bull Racing Team Principal Christian Horner, and Simon Spule, this car is set to redefine automotive excellence. Stepping inside the Valkyrie is like entering the cockpit of a race car. The interior is compact and focused, with screens replacing the traditional gauge cluster, offering real-time vehicle information. The camera side mirrors not only enhance the futuristic look but also improve aerodynamics. The seats, formed from hollow carbon fiber, are customized through 3D scanning, ensuring an unparalleled level of comfort and support. Even the steering wheel is a marvel of technology, featuring a screen that acts as the driver gauge cluster and controls for quick adjustments on the go. The exterior design of the Valkyrie is a testament to the pursuit of aerodynamic perfection. Every curve, vent, and surface has been meticulously crafted to maximize downforce and minimize drag. The extensive use of carbon fiber and the open underfloor contribute to an astonishing 1,814 kilograms of downforce at high speeds. The front splitter, rear diffuser, and active aerodynamic elements work harmoniously to keep the car planted to the ground, providing unrivaled stability and handling. Powering this incredible piece of engineering is a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine developed by the legendary Cosworth. This mighty power plant delivers an astounding 746 kilowatts at an ear-shattering 10,500 revolutions per minute, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated engine ever fitted to a production road car. And if that's not enough, the Valkyrie features a hybrid system with an electric motor developed by Integral Powertrain Limited and a lightweight hybrid battery system by Rimac Automobili, providing an additional 120 kilowatts of power and a further 280 newton-meters of torque. The result? A mind-blowing certified max power output of 865 kilowatts at 10,500 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 900 newton-meters at 6,000 revolutions per minute. With a weight of only 1,030 kilograms, this car achieves an impressive power-to-weight ratio of 840 kilowatts per ton, catapulting it to 100 km per hour in a mere 2.6 seconds. But wait, there's more. Aston Martin also created a track-only variant of the Valkyrie called the Valkyrie Armor Pro. With only 25 units in existence, this beast takes the performance to another level. Stripped of any unnecessary comforts, the Armor Pro utilizes the same 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine but without the hybrid system, resulting in an estimated power output of 1,100 horsepower or possibly even more. The aerodynamics have been further enhanced with an LMP1-style rear aerodynamic fin, a large dual-element rear wing, and a massive rear diffuser. The car's lightweight construction, F1-inspired carbon brakes. With a top speed expected to exceed 402 km per hour, the Valkyrie Armor Pro is a true track monster. The Aston Martin Valkyrie represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. It's a testament to the collaboration between Aston Martin, Red Bull Racing, and a team of exceptional partners. From its breathtaking performance to its jaw-dropping aesthetics, every aspect of this car screams perfection. Owning a Valkyrie is like possessing a piece of automotive history and experiencing the thrill of a lifetime. That's it for today's review of the Aston Martin Valkyrie. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all our future content. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, drive safe and keep chasing your automotive